The digital landscape is changing at an unprecedented pace. Social media is more competitive than ever, with millions of users and countless posts vying for attention every second. To stand out in this crowded space, you need a new edge, something that sets you apart from the rest. Introducing AI Influencers, a revolutionary app that leverages cutting-edge artificial intelligence to catapult your online presence to new heights. Imagine having an AI-powered persona working for you 24/7, tirelessly engaging with your audience and creating content. That's the power of AI Influencers, a tool designed to transform your social media strategy. AI Influencers is not just another tool in your arsenal. It's your secret weapon to unlock unprecedented growth and engagement. This cutting-edge app creates hyper-realistic AI personas tailored specifically to your niche and audience preferences. These personas resonate deeply with your target audience, creating authentic connections and driving meaningful interactions. They drive engagement, boost your brand's visibility, and help you achieve your social media goals faster than ever before. Say goodbye to the struggle of content creation and community building. With AI Influencers, those challenges are a thing of the past. AI Influencers does the heavy lifting for you, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, growing your brand and connecting with your audience. This is the future of social media influence, and it's available to you today. With AI Influencers, you're not just keeping up with the trends, you're leading the charge, setting the pace for others to follow, and establishing yourself as a trendsetter in the digital world. Join the AI revolution today and experience the future of social media dominance. Embrace the change and watch your influence soar. AI Influencers empowers you to create the perfect digital persona, tailored to your unique needs and preferences. Choose from a diverse range of appearances, voices, and personalities. Whether you want a professional, friendly, or quirky persona, the options are endless. Tailor every aspect to match your brand identity and resonate with your target audience. From the color scheme to the tone of voice, every detail can be customized. The app's intuitive design makes crafting your AI persona incredibly easy. With just a few clicks, you can adjust features, tweak settings, and perfect your digital representation. Input your preferences and watch as AI Influencers brings your vision to life. The software uses advanced algorithms to ensure your persona is both unique and effective. The result? A captivating digital representation of your brand that feels real, relatable, and engaging. It's like having a virtual ambassador for your brand, but it doesn't stop there. The capabilities of your AI persona extend far beyond just appearance. Your AI persona doesn't just look the part, it acts the part too. It can interact with users on social media, respond to comments, and even hold conversations. AI Influencers equips your persona with the ability to create compelling content, interact with your audience, and build a loyal following. It can post updates, share news, and engage with followers in real time. This is next-level brand building, powered by the latest advancements in artificial intelligence. Embrace the future and let AI Influencers transform your digital presence. AI Influencers is your shortcut to viral success. Imagine having the power to go viral at your fingertips. The app's built-in two-click viral booster tech analyzes trending content in real time and optimizes your posts for maximum visibility, ensuring that your content reaches the widest audience possible. Watch as your likes, shares, and followers skyrocket across Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and more. Your social media presence will never be the same. But it's not just about vanity metrics, it's about creating real impact. AI Influencers translates your enhanced online presence into real-world opportunities, opening doors you never thought possible. The app connects you with top brands actively seeking AI-powered influencers, making it easier than ever to secure partnerships. Secure lucrative brand deals and watch your revenue streams multiply. Imagine the financial freedom that comes with it. AI Influencers empowers you to monetize your influence like never before, turning your passion into profit. Unlock a steady stream of brand collaborations, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing opportunities. The possibilities are endless. This is the power of AI working for you, transforming your social media presence into a profitable venture. Embrace the future of influence.